Ay, ayun, nag-green na pala. So, let's go. Ayan, papunta tayo ngayon sa beach. Pero hindi tayo mag-taxi. Kung mag-taxi, 14 minutes. Madali lang sana. Kaya lang 5 kami, so 2 taxi. So, mas sobrang mahal. So, makamura tayo kung mag-bus. At kung mag-bus naman is isang sakayan lang naman, hindi tayo mag-change. So, mag-bus na lang tayo. Ang bayad naman sa bus is €2.50. So, €2.50. Ay, $2.50. Sorry. So, yan lang yung babayaran natin. And, naglakad kami, wala kaming internet. So, ang ginamit namin is, nag-screenshot lang kami sa location. Kaya naman. So far, malapit na tayo sa bus stop. Siguro mga 5 minutes na lang. And, ito yung mga bata. Hi, guys! Hi! Sobrang init ngayon sa San Diego. Grabe! Pero at least nakalagay kami ng sunscreen. Sobrang nangyari sa itsura ko. Yeah, sobrang init ngayon dito. Ayan, dito na tayo sa bus stop. We have to take 901 going sa Nancy Transit. Ito, ayun. 3 minutes, darating na po siya. Mga bata dito. Ayan, paparating na yung ating bus. Ito yung ating sasakyan, 901. So we have to bus na kami. So we are here in Nancy Transit. We go ahead to Alameda Boulevard. And then we are there to Coronado Beach. So parang kami lang po naglalakad going to the beach here. Most of the people are using car or driving car. Most of the people here are driving car. So, hindi po uso dito masyado ang magsakay ng bus or train. So, dapat kung anito kayo sa San Diego or sa USA, you have to learn how to drive. Ah, mayroong pangdagat na sasakyan. Oh, it's okay to walk here because there's a lot of trees. So, it's not so hot. So, dito kami ngayon sa Alameda Boulevard at ang gaganda ng mga bahay. Ang cute! Ayan, oh! May flag talaga sila, no? Mostly, no? Ng bahay dito may mga flag. O lahat. Yan, oh, lahat. 1, 2, 3. Every daan namin, meron talaga silang flag. Ayan, there's a flag. Sa Picas, meron din. Sa kabila, meron. So, uso pala dito na maglagay ng kanilang flag. Napansin ko na napaka-makabayan ng mga tao dito dahil lahat sila merong flag. Look, most of them, they have flag. Yeah, they really love their country. Ayan, oh. Both bahay dyan flag, dito flag, doon flag. Lahat.
The United States of America.
Yeah.
United Kingdom.
You are now in USA. Pero, but our goal is to speak to American. So, our English will be better. My English. We need to speak to some American here. Conversation, you know?
But sometimes they talk like really American. It's a little bit difficult to understand them sometimes, but American is better than British. I can understand American.
Yeah. Yeah, American English is easier for us to understand.
Yeah.
Wow, ang ganda.
Yeah.
Super nice houses here. They're in
This is,
Coronado Beach.
I think it's almost a million.
Millionaire, yeah?
From
Oh,
San
ang
Diego.
ganda, oh.
Yeah, here. But they are so
Pa,
nice
oh. Puro may flag.
and very clean. No
Yeah.
smile like pee-pee.
Yeah.
Like in downtown. Downtown is very.
Yeah, sa downtown ng San Diego, napansin namin na medyo mabaho na or mapanghi, no?
Yeah.
But I think it's normal dahil mostly sa mga downtown, may mga ano kasi, like, hindi na tayo mapipigilan
Yeah,
yung
but it's a lot of
mga homeless.
dirty. And the homeless people, they just go in the store and get the drink, then go away.
Ah,
and
yeah.
no one tell nothing.
May experience pala si Papi
Wow.
kanina. What's your experience, Shatsu?
Okay, because today me and Arya was walking everywhere in the Santiago because we are vacation and we want to.
In
Okay,
the
du warst hier?
downtown.
Du warst hier?
In the
No, here
downtown,
not.
not
Yeah,
all
in
of
the
the
downtown.
in downtown only.
Yeah, we went in the downtown and we go to the store grocery.
Yeah.
And the homeless people, they have no clothes, no clothes, and like something like that. She has a bread in the hand, and she walks so fast go inside, like she wanted you to buy something. Then go in the refrigerator. She knows already where is the refrigerator. Then open it, and then get directly 2 of bottle of Coke, and go out. And then
But
no one
cashier?
can see. Cashier is yeah.
So ayan oh.
The cashier was
Intermission.
with me.
Intermission. There is another flag here. So mostly may flag. Wow, ang ganda ng bahay. Grabe. Super nice, Jesus. Oh my God. Ang ganda talaga. Maganda para talaga yung bahay kapag merong mga plants like palm or banana. Fives. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, super wow. Hindi ko naman pinakita yung number, no? Yeah, only get out of the house. And then we're here. Okay, come guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Kamaya.
Sometimes I say that I want to stay, but sometimes if I saw the downtown,
It's normal. It's also like in Germany. It's the same.
oh, the downtown in Germany is not like that, really. Germany is others. So the restaurant is yeah.
I just said, excuse me, because I burped.
Okay, it's very
That's
good.
good. Jan.
John dance for my. I think there will be like Slabes gibt Wald.
Ayan oh. Huh?
Yes, love.
Why?
So ist das so perfekt?
Oh, sabi ni Nathan, why it's so perfect. Yung mga bahay dito, pati garden. Napansin po namin na parang maintenance talaga. May maintenance yung garden nila dito.
Let's come to Toronto.
I think bawal magpataas ng grass, no? Dapat siguro pinuputol yung mga matataas na grass or kahoy. Grabe, oh! Nakakamangha talaga yung mga bahay dito, eh. So nice. My God. Yeah, at least, no? Nakakita tayo ng mga bahay na ganito na sobrang ganda. Grabe. Iba-ibang style. Merong modern, meron ding vintage, pero yung vintage parang ano na, parang renovated na rin. And look, oh, they have another flag. Ano kaya ang meaning? Bakit lahat sila may flag? No, may flag din oh, ulit. Napakamahal, mahal na mahal talaga nila yung kanilang bansa. They really love their country, shots, no? Makabayan, kumbaga.
Das ist fake, guck mal.
Fake daw, sabi nila, pero but it's real.
Krass, so, guck mal. Vergleichen mal.
Yeah, I think it's real.
Es ist fake, Mom.
Yeah?
Ja. Nee, das ist auch fake, Mom.
Para siyang fake, pero
Hier.
grabe ka. No, it's real, shots. Uy.
Nein, Mama, guck, das ist so befeuchtet. Ne? Da drin ist Leben. Mama,
Fake
guck mal,
doch, sabi.
Mama.
Yeah?
Berühr mal das und das. Dann sag mal das Unterschied.
Meron pala ditong election, but yung mga flyers nila hindi all over. Napaka social dahil nasa baba, tsaka pwede siyang matanggal, hindi siya dinidikit yung mga sticker, mga tarpaulin nila. Wala. Lang siya, nakalagay lang sa stand. Ang cute. We need to drink water. Arya must drink water first.
Hier, Mama.
So.
Das ist schon sehr entspannt.
Sabi ni Nathan, Mama, pwede ba ibenta natin lahat ng ating mga kayamanan tapos dito tayo? Siguro kahit ibenta mo ako, anak, hindi tayo makabili ng ganito na bahay. Kawawa naman si Nathan, oy. Mama, why so perfect? I said that you told me that we sell all our things and then we can buy a house here. I said, if you sell me, we cannot even buy a house like this. These millions. Yan, dito na po tayo. We have to go right, straight ahead, and then we are there, sa beach. Andito tayo sa Ocean, City of Coronado. So, don't forget that we can wash here, yeah?
Ach ja.
Wow!
The beach.
We're here! Dog beach access.
Ja.
Oh my God, wala tayong payong.
Walking.
So here state, fires contained within city provided fire rings and portable barbecues. Only clean wood, no metal. So pwede palang mag-barbecue dito. Dogs prohibited. Ang layo ng beach. Wala tayong payong. Hala, all over is white sand. Wow! Grabe. Parang Philippines.
Solche Strände zu machen.
Hm?
Ah, stimmt.
You have to walk here lang ga.
Stimmt, der Meer macht das von alleine.
Wala man tayong payong. Yeah. Yeah. We're allowed to grill. Yeah, it's okay. Ang problema, the problem is we don't have any umbrella. Arya!
What's up?
What's up? Naka-what's up na siya. What's up? I'm good. And you?
I'm good.
Are you American? Yeah. Brown American?
No.
What are you?
I'm beautiful America.
Beautiful American. Okay, let's go, guys. Andito na tayo at merong guard. So, we are all safe. May guard dyan. Ano bang tawag niyan? Sea guard. Sea guard. Ang init. Sakit pala sa paa itong sand kasi mainit siya. Ayan. Nakapaa na lang tayo. Ang init pala. My God! So hot. Okay, it's better here. Yeah? Arya! Saan? Naligo na yung mga bata. Wala, ang layo. Ang layo yung tipin natin. Yung tubig pala dito is pang surfing. Wow! Medyo malakas yung hangin. Malamig yung tubig pero kaya lang siya. Yan o. Ang laki. Hi. Hi. Shaq. Cool. Wow. You need to charge. You need to charge. It's not so cold. Hindi naman siya masyadong malamig. Ano na siya? Yeah, medyo malamig pero kaya. Wow! Grabe ang alon, oh. So this is the Pacific Ocean. Welcome to Pacific Ocean.
Alex.
Hi, kakatapos lang namin maligo. Pati ako naligo din. Mga bata, naku! Grabe na namin kay Tim. Nugnog na kami masyado. Ay, very nice dito. Uy, ang dami nag-celebrate ng, I think, birthday or something. May mga ano din dyan, mga teenager. Nag-bonfire. Pwede pala dito mag-barbecue. He is open until 11 p.m. Ang saya. Ayun. Madami ni mga bata. May nag-yoga din dyan, banda, oh. Yoga class. Grabe ang saya ng dalawa, oh. I don't know kung ano yung pinag-uusapan nila. So, guys, here. Rest. Rest heute. Nice. You want there? You can also come here. So, ito pala yung nakikita ko sa movie before na pwedeng maligo dyan. After ligo sa dagat, magwaswas. Ito yung nakikita ko sa ano. Don't look here. Go there. Ito yung nakikita ko sa prank video before. Nilalagyan ng shampoo. Ito pala yun, ganito. So, Kuya, can you hold my camera because maybe, or help me with art? Hey, Kuya, you go to the other hand, Kuya. Hi. Hallo. Hi. Alter, Stefan. Hold. Careful. Da, jetzt. Genau so.
Junge, ich konnte das eigentlich mit Mama.
Hä? So, Mama hat gerufen. Kailangan yung mga paa nila.
Ich dachte, wenn ich jetzt hier so runterfalle. Nee,
So, dapat, hugasan. Tapos, dito kasi, maraming sand kaya. Kailangan kargahin. So, Kuya, can you give, wait. Give me the shoes of Nathan, please. Sure. Ah, descension da.
Ja.
Da. Yeah, your tita. Wait.
Hey, ich dachte, Hä, Mama. Hä, wieso denn? Mama, es ist Abend. Machen die doch Abendessen mit uns?
Soll ich jetzt weg? Also, soll ich jetzt ab?
Mama, essen die mit uns Abendessen? Ja.
Prost! Hala, nag-inom na sila ng cola. Aya, for the first time, you drink cola?
No.
Not so much, yeah? How many times already?
One.
First time. And how it tastes, the cola? Good. So sweet? No. What did you say?
A little bit sweet.
Sweet, a little bit.
Oo nga eh, nangiti. Okay lang yan. Okay lang naman eh.
Oo. We love it. Yan,
Na-enjoy.
ito na naman yung aking pinsan, our service. Yeah. So, kinuha tayo para kakain. Punta tayo ng Jollibee daw. Kasi walang Jollibee sa Germany. Wala. So, dumaan tayo ngayon sa mga magaganda na naman ng mga bahay. Grabe, ang dami pala. Hindi lang pala doon banda na street, kundi parang buong ano dito, buong barangay. Ganito yung kaganda ng mga bahay. Nag-stop muna tayo dito sa Coronado Beach. Coronado Bridge. Bridge pala. Hala, may Island Express na sasakyan. Stop muna dito saglit, mag-picture lang. Meron pala ditong mga restaurant. Ayan, oh. Grabe, ang ganda ng lugar, no? Ang daming mapuntahan. Ay, pwede pala dito mag-swim. Mag-barbecue. Kailan ka? Ka-nice, uy. Yan, nag-barbecue sila. It's the Coronado Bridge. So, dito tayo kakain sa Jollibee.
Grocery siya talaga ng mga Filipino, ano.
Ah,
Andiyan talaga yung mga Filipino.
ano pala ang Seafood City? Puro Filipino food.
Oo.
Talaga?
Oo.
Bakit may mga dentistry?
Ayun yung mga, malalaking building. So, like, parang sa side niya may mga,
Home of the famous Chicken Joy.
And ito, Chowking naman. Sa side.
Wow, ang galing. So, meaning, ang daming Pilipino talaga dito.
Super.
Ayan, andito tayo sa Seafood City. Akala ko ang Seafood City ay isa lang siyang restaurant, kundi napakaraming restaurant. Parang city siya ng mga pagkain ng Pilipino. Like Jollibee, Chowking. Ha? Goldilocks. Aircon? Oh,
I don't like aircon.
So, unlimited ang drinks nila dito. Ayan si Papa. So, ito na yung order natin. My favorite na ano.
Oh, ich weiß nicht, Mayo.
Sa Ambition Mayo. Okay, Kuya, you pray, Kuya.
Beten jetzt es mal.
Ayan, let's pray.
Kommst du? Beten.
Okay, okay.
God is thank you God that we have this food and we can eat it and that we are here in San Diego.
Lasang Pilipinas po talaga siya. Pati yung gravy ni Papi. Ayan, oh. Gravy.
So, ja.
Oo. Ang daming gravy binigay sa atin, no? Parang sinigang. Sabaw na. Oh?
Ja, doch, du bist auch sauer. Du bist sehr, sehr viel sauer.
Then after the whole work again.
And she has a kindergarten, also that was a little bit mistake for me. It's better if I tell them that 20 should go first.
Warte.
But she has only 2 hours.
Ich riech nichts.
Are you full now?
In the morning.
So yummy?
For kindergarten, yes,
Good.
in the morning. I hope it will be okay.
I think she's fine.
It feels like Philippines here, right?
Ist Jollibee, ist Jollibee,
Hanggang ano oras mag-open?
Mama,
I think 10, right?
Open pa?
Oh, 10?
9 ata, 10. 10 plus.
ist Jollibee
Until
von
10 p.m.
Mama, ist Jollibee von
We're getting it.
Yes, 10.
Philippines.
Yeah. It's a Philippine brand. A Philippine restaurant.
Oh, sorry.
Fast food. Kuya, gusto kong kape. Lahat ng gusto ko ay susundin mo. Ang magkamali ay pipingutin ko. 1.
Ja, ich weiß. Früher Philippinen.
2, 3. Yeah. 1. 1, 2, 3. The
father has 6 sons, and every son has one sister. How many children does the father have?
And I'm feeling good.